Oops. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enable the battery percentage on your iPhone. First, you have to update your iPhone software to the iOS 16. If you don't update it, then it won't work. So you're just going to scroll down until you find battery, and as you can see, there's a battery percentage option, and it'll show like the battery percentage on your phone. So you can now see it, and that is pretty much how you can view your battery percentage. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer all of them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!